In this video, we will dive into the features and capabilities of 3 popular apps. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or simply looking to enhance your social media feed, these apps offer a range of filters to elevate your photos and videos to the next level. Foodie Filter Film. Foodie Filter Film is a popular application on Android for adding aesthetic filters to food photos. It offers a variety of film-inspired filters that can enhance the colors and tones in your food images, making them look more appealing and professional. With this app, you can easily adjust the intensity of the filters to achieve the desired look for your food photos. The user-friendly interface and wide range of filter options make Foodie Filter Film a great choice for food photography enthusiasts looking to elevate their images. Lomograph Filter. Lomograph Filter is an Android application that specializes in providing lomography-style filters for your photos. Lomography is a style of photography known for its experimental and artistic approach, characterized by its use of unique color palettes and light leaks. With Lomograph Filter, you can apply these distinctive filters to your photos, giving them a vintage and retro feel. The app offers a range of lomography-inspired filters that can be easily applied to your images with just a few taps, whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your photos or simply want to explore different artistic styles. Ton Filter for Photo Video. Ton Filter for Photo Video is an Android application that allows users to apply tonal filters to both photos and videos. With a wide variety of filter options ranging from vibrant and bold to soft and muted tones, Ton Filter for Photo Video gives users the tools to dramatically alter the mood and style of their visual content. Whether you're looking to create a cohesive aesthetic for your social media feed, or simply want to enhance the colors and tones in your photos and videos, this app offers a versatile set of filters to choose from. As we conclude our exploration of these aesthetic filter applications, we hope you found this video insightful and informative. Thank you for watching.